Everyone take up your favorite hand. Wave goodbye. No, not to them. To each other. Yeah, we're in favor of it. Don't worry. It'll be fun to be here. So we're going to do is have 3 of you sit on the bench here, and the other 3 on the middle. Just don't climb over the middle. Just kind of face it.
Come on in, guys.
Right this way.
This way?
To the front.
Okay.
Go ahead and sit right where those skippers tell you to. They are trained professionals. I'm an untrained unprofessional. So better listen to this. Come on in, guys. Now all the seats are the same. Brown and uncomfortable. Wet perhaps it is raining. And it will continue to rain until it's no longer raining. So come on in, guys. Awesome. Looks like we're all just about here. When I got in the boat. Come on in, everybody. All right, looks like we're all just about here. For your safety and my job security today, please remain seated at all times. Keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, heads, everything you want to keep inside the boat. Please supervise your children. Okay? All right. Looks like we're all just about here. All right, we are almost ready. We're clear to go. Everybody pick up your favorite hand and wave goodbye to those nice people on the dock. Goodbye. You are never going to see them again. Well, you never saw them before, so it doesn't really matter. Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise, where we are world famous for being famous all around the world. My name is Skipper Sedona. Is this anybody's first time on the Jungle Cruise? Awesome, me too. How cool. No, I'm just kidding. Is this anybody's last time on the Jungle Cruise? We've already decided you're never going to do this again? Okay. All right, we're here now, so let's make the best of it, okay? Now we're starting off our journey here together in the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. Over on my, directions are hard. On this side here, we've got Inspiration Falls. Now the legend has it that the longer you stare at that rushing, gushing water, the more it inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the rainforest, of course. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Wow, that was pretty inspirational. Let's go. Now we are turning onto the Congo River. It's the deepest and darkest river in the world. You guys have all seen the Jungle Book, right? We've all seen the Jungle Book. If you haven't seen it, it's right there. That's the Jungle Book in 3D. Box set. Now if you're planning on staying in the jungle for a bit, we have plenty of activities for you here at Boats and Baits. Oh, and bites. We're serving food now. Well, I hear piranha's always great for a quick bite. I don't see anybody up there. Canoe? You know what, they probably just got scared off by this big giant python here, folks. That's a python. We can tell he's a python and not a boa because he has no feathers. Now, let's stop by the camp then. Let's pick up our supplies, maybe some snake repellents, some food, water. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, do you guys see what they did? Do you see what they did? They painted my Jeep blue. I hate blue. Does anybody here like blue? Okay, I'll keep the Jeep then. You know, on the bright side, I couldn't get it started this morning. Looks like they finally got it to turn over. Maybe they used a monkey wrench. Maybe they called it AAA. Looks like we're turning on to the Nile River now. This is the longest river in the world. It's so long it just stretches on for miles and miles and miles. Over here we have an African elephant. Very cool. There's another one over here. Can anyone tell me how we know that they're African elephants? Because we're in Africa. Over here is our Sandstone rock formation. This really is one of our bolder attractions here, although I think a lot of people take it for granted. I could marvel at it all day long. I think it really rocks. Up on the African belt, we have all kinds of animals. We've got those, what are they called there? The long-necked cheetahs. We have these deer that killed Mufasa. We've got the 1971 Impala. Oh my gosh, look at those horses. They're so old. They're still in black and white. Can you believe that? Very old. Of course, we have the lions. They're just protecting that sleeping horse. He's dead. Tired. He's dead tired. So we're going to let him rest in peace. Now, hope you guys don't mind. We are on a bit of a search and rescue this morning. Skipper Felix took out a VIP. He's right behind me, isn't he? Getting chased up the pole by a rhino. Felix, I told you to stop arguing with the rhino. They always get their point across in the end. But what a rhino. Where's this boat? You know what? I don't have time to worry about it right now. I have to worry about these crocodiles here, folks. That is Ginger and that's old Smiley. Now, do be careful, cookies. You guys are one tough crowd. Right up ahead there, that's Schweitzer Falls. It's named after the intrepid African explorer and founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Dr. Albert Falls. Yeah, don't worry, if you didn't understand the joke, we'll go over it later, okay? Now, I'm sure at this point of the cruise, a lot of you are probably wondering what we skippers like to do for fun around here. I'll tell you what we do. We go to this fun new nightclub. It's called the Fuso Lodge. It is a dive, but Tuesday nights are half off, so really can't complain. I'm just kidding, of course. A down airplane in the jungle can only mean one thing: hippos. Anti-aircraft hippos, folks. These hippos are dangerous. Just last week, they sank 6 of our boats. Now, 5 of them were mine. That's not mine. That's Felix's boat. It's not coming out of my paycheck. Oh, look, they're already retreating back into the water. They don't want to catch hypothermia. Yeah, it's pretty cold out here for them. Oh, this is funny. This is actually really funny because a lot of people tell me, Skipper Sedona, your job is so easy, a monkey could do it. Let me tell you something, okay? These are chimpanzees. So it's different. Oh, look, he's got the microphone though. Let's see if he's got anything funny to say. Oh my parents, I'm so sorry. Please cover your kids' ears. I don't know where they picked up that language. I am so sorry. Oh boy. Gotta get out of here. You know, once you've been in the jungle for long enough, you learn a lot about the animals. For example, these chimps, nothing bugs them. Yeah, they're just having their daily bread and butter. Flies, of course. That one in the box there, she's a net. Quite the catch. All right, everybody, this is it, the moment you've been waiting for, the reason you're on the Jungle Cruise, right? It's the 8th wonder of the world. Put your hands together, stomp your feet, good holler. It's the backside of the water. Yeah, that's the backside of water. That's not something you see every day. Unless you're me. And then you see it a lot. All right, looks like we're turning on to the Mekong River now, here in the heart of Cambodia. Look at these, this temple here. It's really Mekong me nervous. Must have been an earthquake or something. What do you guys think? Should we go in?
Yeah.
You think so? All right, let's go in. I'm pretty scared though. Okay, so while we're in there, keep your eyes open. I'm gonna keep mine closed. Cambodia, ladies. You got to pay attention. They were here. You see that elephant up there in the shower? You see how she's all wrinkly and gray? That's what happens when you stay in the shower for too long. You turn into an elephant. It almost happened to me once. No, I'm kidding. I don't shower. What's happening here? What's happening here? Mr. Peanut, don't even think about it. Bad elephant! Thank you. Sorry, guys. Do you think that's water in their trunks? It's not, okay? Oopsies. Well, it's been a long 2 weeks together. It really has. Time flies when you're having fun, but of course no trip through the jungle would be complete without a stop by the gift shop. I mean the gift shop. Trader Sam's gift shop. He's the head salesman here in the jungle. Back in 15 minutes. Okay, it looks like Sam's actually stepped out for a moment. He's probably just gathering some more inventory. You guys would not believe what people leave in their strollers nowadays. It's absolutely unattended. Well, it looks like we are approaching the most dangerous part of our journey here. This is the return to Magic Kingdom. Very dangerous. So please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, And again. And again. You can stay in school, okay? Yeah, please, because this is what happens when you only have a master's degree, so. I wish that were a joke. Folks, did we laugh today? Thank you so much for laughing. If you did not laugh today, thank you so much for leaving. Some of you just stared at me the whole time. That was weird. No, I'm kidding. You guys are really outstanding crew today. Really outstanding. I'd rather you outstanding on the dog, so. Get out. No, that was rude. Where's my southern hospitality? Y'all get out. Bless your hearts. Nailed it. Bye, everybody. Have a great day. If you came in the back door, please go out the back door. Don't cross over the seat in the middle, okay? That's a fire hazard. You're welcome. If you trip and fall, I laugh, I get fired. Don't do that, okay? Bye, everybody. Watch your headset and exit while they're using the handrails. Have a great day. We did close at 4:30 today, so at 4:30 I will no longer be here. You guys, you don't have to go home, but you can stay here. Okay?
Thank you.
I'm gonna wait a second.